2009 Toyota Yaris air filter. What you want to do is remove this clip, push it towards the fender. Take this clip, push it towards the engine. That way. And then, you see how these are? Them go underneath like a little step. What you want to do is you want to pick up this side, pick it up, and then you want to pull it towards you a little bit. And so this up, reach down in there, pull the air filter out. Look at it. Don't look bad. This is the engine side. So you want to look at the suction side. Nasty. So now it's time to replace it. So now you want to look down inside the air filter box and want to see if there's any bunch of debris down in there, like possibly a rag or something that body shop stuffed in there or something. If there's some debris in there, just get a vacuum and vacuum it out. Okay. You got your new air filter. These styles usually go in a certain way. Round, 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 square. So if you look at your old one, this is the suction side, which is the dirty side. You want to flip it over. So you see there's just the point, and there's the point. So this side goes down. So it's installed like this, okay? So then that corner goes over there. All right, so then I'm gonna pick that back up, put the filter in there. Okay, you got the filter in. Push this cover into these things. There's two of them, one here and one there. And make sure they go inside the step. You might want to have it on an angle. Go in like that, best you can. And once you get them in, both of them, push down on it. And then you want to push, kind of like slide this clip up on it. And then slide this clip up on this one. And watch out, this one will flip over here and be on the wrong side. So then you have to lift up the box and flip it over and get it over there. Because this one goes this way. This one goes that way. And that's how you do the air filter. And make sure that you didn't knock off any vacuum lines, because Toyota, they like to put vacuum lines onto the air box. And they're really small and you break them off. But this one's good, don't have that. Alright, there you go. If I helped you out in any way, please subscribe. If you already subscribed to me, that's awesome. Thank you.